Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I'm out on the trail with the freshly rebuilt C34. As you can see, I've given it a nice new coat of paint. It's got a 2-speed gearbox, metal drive shafts, and WPL were kind enough to send me a metal geared servo for it. So I'll be testing that out today. Enjoy, and see you in a bit.
California coastline, midday Texas sun, misty rain in the Smoky Mountains, out here on the run. Lights of New York City, streets of Boston town, Golden Gate in San Francisco, Seattle, Puget Sound. Been a long time traveling, rolling on from town to town. Seen so many places, still don't know where I'm bound. Arizona desert, Colorado mountain snow, arches out in Utah, Montana, Idaho, Grand Tetons in Wyoming, Oregon's evergreens, rolling hills up in Carolina, Kentucky and Tennessee. Been a long time traveling, rolling on from town to town. Seen so many places, still don't know where I'm bound. No matter how far I travel, I'll always find my way back home. When I start to feel my life unravel, I know I'm not alone.
Okay, so we're back at the car now. Things didn't quite go as planned, as you can see by this rear wheel, and we've snapped the axle truss under there, so I'll have to probably 3D print a new one and get that back on. The metal gear servo performed really well, no issues there, and also I think the gears in the rear diff are slipping because it suddenly became two-wheel drive and started grinding. So hope you enjoyed the video, although it's short. Give us a like and subscribe. I've also got some stickers available now. If you want one of those, just drop me a message and I'll send one out to you. So hope you enjoyed it, and see you next time.